Plating is the process of depositing a thin protective layer of metal onto the surface of parts or products to enhance mechanical and engineering properties, to protect parts against corrosion, and to improve aesthetic quality. Plated parts are common to a wide variety of applications, such as car parts, medical devices, household items, and hand tools. This course will cover plating processes such as electroplating, electroless plating, passivating, and electropolishing. Electroplating and electropolishing are performed through electrolysis, in which chemical changes are caused by an electrical current flowing through a liquid solution containing electrolytes. Metal plates or electrodes are inserted into the liquid solution and attached to a power source. A current is applied, giving the electrodes opposing charges and allowing for ions to flow. An oxidation-reduction reaction occurs as opposing electrical charges attract. Oxidation reduction is the transfer of electrons from one atom to another, or an exchange of electrons between atoms. Oxidation occurs when the atom loses electrons, and reduction occurs when the atom gains electrons. For example, in a sodium chloride reaction, at first sodium and chlorine are neutral, but as electrons are transferred, both sodium and chlorine gain charges on the right side of the equation. In this equation, sodium is oxidized when it loses an electron, becoming a cation as it acquires a positive charge. Chlorine is reduced and becomes an anion when it gains an electron and obtains a negative charge. Oxidation-reduction reactions drive electrolysis and are necessary for most plating processes.